Hello and welcome. Let's solve this math quiz. So the quiz is y² minus 4² equals 9. Y is equals, so we are asked to look for the value of this y. Okay. Now, let's say solution. This quiz is very tricky. This math question is very tricky. If you don't go detailedly, you might get the wrong answer. Okay. So solution. Here's the quiz. Y² minus 4² is equals 9. Recall that in mathematics, negative a² is not equals to negative into a all square. Okay, so this one means negative into a times a, okay, is not equal to, this one means negative a times negative a. Okay, so at the end, this one will be positive and this one will be negative. Okay, because negative times negative here will give positive, and this negative here times positive will still be negative. Okay, yeah, so that's what I want us to understand here, because we are going to be applying this here. So in this case, we are working with this one, not this one. Okay, now let's continue. So if we have something like this, we will have y² minus 4 times 4 will still give us 16. Okay, is equals 9. Now we make y² the subject of the formula, or we'll bring like terms together. So y² will be equals 9. If this one cross the equal sign, it becomes positive. 9 plus 16. Okay, so y² is equals 9 plus 16 is 25. Okay, now to look for the value of y here, we square both sides. Okay, so this square here will cancel this, and the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, y is equals 5.